watoto wadogo ambao hawezi kunisaidia.
Na hatimaye mgomo madaktari umefikia kikomo baada ya viongozi wa muungano wa madaktari KMPDU kusitisha rasmi mgomo huo baada ya maafikiano na wawakilishi wa serikali kuu na baraza la magavana. Madaktari hao sasa wametia sahihi na serikali mkataba wa kurejea kazini kwa chini ya saa 24, ikilitia kikomo kwa mgomo madaktari ambao umedumu kwa muda wa siku 56 baada ya kuanza tarehe 13 mwezi Machi.
We had a very long meeting today with our National Advisory Council, that is the highest decision-making organ. And they endorsed that we signed this particular return to work formula today so that it can pave way for the doctors to resume work within 24 hours from now. And that means the strike that began on 13th of March 2024 has been called off. The government has insisted to us that there are different government and there are different persons in office, that we need to believe in them, that they are not conmen.
Yes. We would also like to note that we will be continuing with the process of dialogue and negotiation with the other outstanding institutions that we haven't yet settled, because the commitment of the Council of Governors is to ensure that we're providing seamless service delivery to the people that elected us.
The issue that led to this strike are systemic issues that precede the Kenya Kwanza government. And it is for this reason that I consistently emphasize that first, we must make an agreement that we can implement. And second, we must find a lasting solution to the perennial issues. I am confident that what we have signed on to today, having consulted widely, this is a deal that is going to be implemented by all of us.
Na huku madai dhidi ya waziri wa kilimo